Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the Hilti Dx6 is safe and ready. Remove the magazine, verify gas cylinder pressure, and look for dents. Low pressure causes misfires. Load the manufacturer-approved fasteners into the magazine. Proper length matters for penetration and recoil. Once done, clean the breech briefly with a brush to remove powder residue so feeding stays reliable. Make sure the safety catch is engaged before reassembling. This prevents accidental discharge while you move to the next step. You now chamber and prepare to fire. Insert the loaded magazine, cycle the tool once to seat the strip, and verify a fresh fastener is visible at the nose. Aim with the tool flat against the substrate. Perpendicular contact transfers energy correctly, then apply steady 6 to 8 kilograms of pressure. Light contact leads to shallow drives, too much causes damage. Use single shot when accuracy matters, or rapid mode for continuous anchoring. Once comfortable with shots, proceed methodically across your layout. You finish by checking every fastener for correct depth and alignment, redrive or countersink where required to meet spec. If the tool jams, stop immediately. Remove the magazine, engage the safety, and clear debris with the recommended tool. Never force a stuck cartridge. Make sure seals and piston show no excessive wear. Poor performance or inconsistent firing usually means replacement parts or a new gas cylinder. If problems persist after these steps, pause work and consult a certified service technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.